Recent reports suggest that Southwest Airlines is close to a massive 737 MAX order. But will Southwest actually order the MAX? In this video, I discuss the anticipated order and where the 737 MAX-7 would fit in their fleet. Before I dive into this video, make sure to consider subscribing to my channel. More great weekly aviation content is coming on the way. Also, if you're interested in flight simulation content, including the new Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, go check out my second channel, Avid Flight Simulation. Last week, I discussed the possibility of a Southwest Airbus A220 order. This week, I want to go over the newer reports of a possible Southwest Airlines 737 MAX order. For some background, Southwest Airlines operates a fleet consisting wholly of the Boeing 737 line of single-aisle aircraft. They currently operate 734 737s, comprising of the -700 and -800NG and 737 MAX 8 variants. But when we look at the backbone of Southwest's fleet, it is the smallest variant, the 737-700, that makes up the majority of their fleet. They operate 473 of the type, making it an essential part of their current fleet. And that is where the possibility for a new order comes into play. Southwest Airlines' fleet of 737-700s are starting to show their age. So with the aircraft getting to the end of its lifespan, logically Southwest is looking for a good replacement. There are two aircraft on the market that have been deemed as a good replacement to the aging 737-700NGs. Last week, we went over the possibility of the Airbus A220-300, and in this video, I'll go over the other aircraft, the Boeing 737 MAX 7. Recently, reports already suggest a massive order for the type is in its final stages, so it does seem like Southwest is already leaning towards the 737. So does it make sense for Southwest to order the 737 MAX 7? Well, I think it's important to point out that Southwest already has an order for the 737 MAX 7, 35 of the type. Now, this is not even close to the amount that it would be needed for a replacement, so an additional order would be needed. The 737 MAX 7 seems to be an adequate upgrade over the 737-700NG. It can carry more passengers, but also burns less fuel with less operating costs overall. Its maximum seating is 172, while the older generation can hold just 149 passengers. And it's not just capacity that is jumped up, but also with fuel burn. The MAX boasts a fuel burn of 8.9 gallons per mile for short-haul flights. This is a clear upgrade from the older variant's fuel burn of 9.9 gallons per mile for the same distance. So, the 737 MAX 7, technically speaking, is a great upgrade. But what about other factors? Well, one of the main reasons why Southwest is such an efficient airline is because of their capabilities in the respect of fleet commonality. Since the 737 MAX 7 has a similar cockpit, pilots and crew coming from older 737s can transition with minimal additional training. This makes life for the airline much easier when adopting a new aircraft. Another factor appears to be price. Southwest will obviously be looking for a bargain price, and some suggest they have already motivated a great deal from Boeing as a result with their talks with Airbus. Showing interest with another manufacturer from a competing aircraft can lead to the other manufacturer lowering their prices in order to get a sale. So, in conclusion, it appears like the 737 MAX 7 may be a perfect fit for Southwest Airlines. Such an order would definitely be a boost for Boeing and the lackluster sales of the MAX 7. And while I personally would love to see an A220 flying in Southwest colors, it makes the most sense that Southwest would order the 737. When looking at their current fleet and situation, ordering the smallest MAX jet makes the most sense. But what do you think? Is a Southwest MAX order going to go through in the next couple of weeks? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Also, make sure to go check out my brand new aviation website at theavidaviator.net. That's it for this video. I'll see you next time.